Hello, and today we are going to look into Vlookup function. Vlookup function is an Excel function to look up data in the table organized vertically. Vlookup supports approximate and exact matching and wildcards for partial matches. Lookup value must appear in the first column of the table. Let's see, for example, if I'm working over here and then this is our table where we have scores and these are the grades against the scores, right? So over here we want to see, okay, if someone has scored 72, what will be his grade? So we will use VLOOKUP. First is the search key, which is like what you want to search in that table, that is our score. Then the second option is, you can see it's asking for range. Range is, as I said earlier, the lookup value must appear in the first column of the table. So this is our table. So we're gonna select column B to column C. So B2 to C7 is like, if you look at the column B is 72, that value must be in the column B. And once we go in the index is from which column you want to get the value for. So in this case, we are getting the value from the second column, which is column C. First column was B and second is C. So it's going to be 2. And then it's going to be, is it sorted or not? So we're going to, if we select 0 over here, it's going to give us error, you see. But if we go with 1, that is approximate match, and then it gives it as the value, which is C. And if we copy paste the formula down, well, there's one problem here. We need to fix this, the range. And once the range is fixed, uh, see, so we have the values here. I think that explains it. Thank you very much.